I'll teach you how to make a wallpaper in just 5 steps. So first, select a HD full size page and fill it with pinkish purple color. Now step 2. Go to toolbox and select filter and then select parallel gradation. Step 3. Create a new layer and then go to the brush section and select the grass fern brush and then finally adjust the size of the brush and select color black and then draw some trees. Now step 4. Go to the brush section and select the star shaped brush and finally adjust the size of the brush and select a lighter color and draw some stars all over the background. Finally, step 5. Go to the background section and find the lens flare 5 or lens flare purple and resize the background and adjust it. Then go to the layer section and make the layer to the screen, and now the wallpaper is ready. You can use other colors as well and make your own personal customized wallpaper, and don't forget to save that. Thank you so much for watching.